Hi guys, welcome back. Just did the Downtown Brown by Lost Coast Brewery. Got that one a 9. Tastes like a Riesling chocolate chew and a little bit of a caramel. Wasn't quite as roasty for my taste, so that's why I got the 9. Now we're going to be doing one that Joey Cuz sent me about 2-3 months ago. It's a Higher Math by Dogfish Head. It's a golden ale brewed with chocolate and sour cherry juice that is 17%. This one has been aged over a year. The bottle date was the 22nd, I believe, of October of 2015, and it is now the 30th. Tomorrow's Halloween. So this should be one of the first reviews for being a year aged. So let's hop into it. Repping the Red Earth Brewery glass. Give this sucker a little bit of room to breathe. Whew. Good Lord. Man, I'm getting some sourness out of it. Tinge of alcohol, not a whole bunch. Now the malts are starting to kick in a little bit. You let air out a little bit longer, start to get the chocolate. And you're left with the chocolate and a slight candied cherry kind of a smell. Alright, let's get into it. That's very, very weird. Now, have you ever had some like Hawaiian chicken and you get the it doesn't taste like chicken, don't just kind of go with me here. You get that big piece of pineapple that's got all that sauce soaked on it, and the pineapple's got a little bit of a burn on it. It tastes like the pineapple. The alcohol really is not that present for being 17%. And it's got a lingering burn for something sitting maybe around 10. Surprisingly, it's sweet, but it's not over sweet. I wouldn't say take mouthfuls of it. It is a thicker beer. It's got a little bit of syrupiness to it. It's hanging around a little bit. You can see the bubbles kind of hanging on the side there. And this is a share me beer, or something you plan on dragging out for an hour and a half or something around there, let it warm up a little bit. What I'm probably going to do with this is I have an ice pack in the fridge. I'll probably get like a cardboard box and put this next to an ice pack and have it sit there while we're watching The Walking Dead. And I mean, there's really not a whole lot of carbonation to it, so I really don't have to worry about it losing carbonation. It's kind of a mild liquor at this point in time. And it's very, very different, very, very good in my opinion. I'm not quite sure what the price was on this. Joey Cuz might be able to tell me below. I do believe it was over 10 bucks. Maybe near 15, something around there. So, yeah, I'm not seeing anything different about it. Said it's a chocolate cherry birthday cake in a liquid form. It tastes like pineapple. The chocolate notes are dead. They are gone. The cherry notes are dead. Asshole driving a truck. Yeah, right now it's nothing like the label. If you've had this fresh, let me know below. I've seen 2 reviews. One was Glockgeist, and the other one was Eboby. I'm gonna have to go back and watch their review. I'm not sure if they got the chocolate and cherry notes, but all that's left really is the sour. That's just very, very weird. Alright guys, so I have nothing to compare this to for being a fresh beer. But I will say, ABV, you're not getting anything near the 17%. The 17% mark. It's not overly sweet. It is sweet, but nothing that would push you away, I don't believe. You're getting a lot of malts. Not a whole bunch, honestly. Nothing like a barley wine. Nothing like an aged IPA. Like I said, you're just getting like a thick liquid that tastes like kind of sugar-coated roasted pineapple from what do you call it? Sweet and sour chicken. It's exactly what it tastes like. If that turns you away, yeah, I guarantee you won't like this beer then. Don't age one of these a year if you don't like that. Well, if you already have one, then it's already been aged in a year. Well, just give it to somebody else because you won't like it. So there you go, guys. The 20th anniversary Dogfish Head Higher Math. I'm going to give you 2 different scores. For being a golden ale aged in chocolate and sour cherries, it gets a 0. I don't get any of that whatsoever, being aged a year now. But hear me out. For being a 17%, what I would call now a sweetened pineapple liquor, I really like it. Like I said, I'm going to kind of get this thing re-chilled a little bit, cold as I can get it. Yeah, I'll have this bottle done by the time Walking Dead's over with. I'm going to go with 9. If it changes, I'll let you know right here. And look at the end of the video, I'll let you know if anything different comes out of this beer. So, alright guys, thanks to Joey Cuz. I know this wasn't a cheap one, but it's nothing like what it originally was. It probably didn't change much within the time that he sent it to the time that I have it now. So Joey, if you have any of these and you haven't had them yet, slap one in the fridge. Hell, even review it. If you don't want to review it, just crack it out. You and Jerry could drink it, maybe drink some more shots of some stuff, you know, plug each other or whatever you guys want to do. You know, that's probably New York compliant, I'm sure. And let me know what you think. Yeah, pineapple and airplanes. Alright guys, there you go. I've got a 9. I'm going to go inside and take a seat, and we'll be seeing you.